Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by silencing the alarm safely. Cut power at the breaker or pull the battery, then step up on a stable ladder. You need a Phillips screwdriver, a fresh 9V or AA battery, and the alarm model number visible. Once done, make sure to wipe contacts with a dry cloth to remove dust and corrosion, because grime often causes false beeps. You'll move quickly from silencing to inspecting the unit so you can identify whether it's a battery, sensor, or wiring issue. You open the alarm and inspect the battery terminals first. If corroded, replace the battery and gently clean terminals with a brush. You then blow out dust from the sensing chamber using short bursts of compressed air. Dust triggers false alarms, so be thorough but avoid liquids. Once clean, check the wiring harness and any push-in connectors. Firm, snug connections prevent intermittent chirps. You may press the reset or test button to see if the unit stays silent, confirming the internal fix before reinstallation. You reinstall the alarm, restore power at the breaker, and press the test button to confirm proper function. A steady tone means success. If the chirp persists, replace the whole unit. Alarms older than 10 years commonly fail and need replacement. Make sure the new unit matches voltage and mounting. If problems continue after a new alarm or you suspect wiring faults, cut power and check the circuit or contact a licensed electrician. One key tip: intermittent chirps often mean.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.